Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with ABN AMRO Review My Usage Experience. ABN AMRO Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for ABN AMRO customers to review and manage their banking transactions. It's designed for ABN AMRO account holders who want a detailed overview of their spending, saving, and investment activities. Key features likely include transaction history viewing, categorization tools, and possibly budgeting capabilities. Their website provides details on accessing the service. It emphasizes ease of use and secure access to account information. While specific pricing isn't directly mentioned, as it's presumably included in standard banking fees, the emphasis is on the convenient accessibility of account details and transaction history. Availability is limited to ABN AMRO customers, naturally. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using ABN AMRO Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly simple. After logging into my online banking, finding the review section was intuitive. The interface is clean and uncluttered. I found navigating the transaction history a breeze. I could easily filter by date, amount, and even category, though I had to manually add some categories initially, which was a slight inconvenience. The performance was excellent, the page loaded quickly, and searching for specific transactions was instantaneous. I was particularly impressed by the detailed charts and graphs summarizing my spending across different categories. This helped me easily identify areas where I could potentially save money. I had a quick question about a specific transaction and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing a clear and satisfactory answer. A minor drawback was the lack of mobile app integration. Accessing the review section requires being on a desktop or laptop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with ABN AMRO Review My Usage Experience. The ease of use, the clear visualizations, and the responsive customer support all contributed to a positive experience. While the lack of a mobile app is a minor inconvenience, the benefits significantly outweigh this single drawback. That's my overview of ABN AMRO Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.